Every day, more than 180,000 vehicles move through this interchange.
It's a connection point for commuters, freight, agriculture, logistics, tourism in one of the fastest growing regions in California. State Route 99 is one of the Central Valley's defining corridors. State Route 120 connects that movement west toward the Bay Area and east toward the Sierra Nevada.
But as the region grew, this interchange needed to do more.
The goal was clear: improve safety, reduce congestion, strengthen reliability, and support the movement of people and goods.
This project matters because it supports the daily movement of residents, workers, businesses, visitors, and freight across San Joaquin County.
The need was not limited to one bridge or one overpass.
It was a system challenge involving highway connections, local streets, railroad crossings, utilities, and long-term regional growth.
The San Joaquin Council of Governments took a leadership role because this is a regional priority that needed to move from planning into construction. And it's just not about moving vehicles.
The San Joaquin Council of Governments is a regional body made up of elected officials representing all 8 cities in the county, coordinating regional transportation and other vital issues. For SJCOG, the State Route 99-120 connector project became more than a construction project. It became an opportunity to foster regional leadership, manage complex technical coordination, and the ability to deliver infrastructure built for the future.
The need was regional. The solution had to be engineered at the same scale.